Click on the link below to get price. The Isinwheel electric bike is a remarkable blend of power, convenience, and versatility that caters to a wide range of riders. With a robust 500W motor, this e-bike delivers an impressive speed of up to 20 miles per hour, making it an ideal choice for commuting, leisurely rides, or tackling challenging terrains. The folding design is a standout feature, allowing for easy storage and transport, which is particularly beneficial for urban dwellers with limited space. One of the most appealing aspects of the Isinwheel e-bike is its customization options regarding wheel sizes. Available in 14, 16, 20, and 26, riders can choose the size that best suits their height and riding style. This adaptability ensures that both short commutes and longer journeys can be undertaken with ease. The bike's frame is constructed from lightweight yet durable materials, allowing for easy maneuverability without compromising sturdiness. The battery life is another highlight, as it enables riders to travel significant distances on a single charge, depending on the level of pedal assist used. The three modes electric, assisted, and traditional cycling provide flexibility to conserve battery life or boost performance when required. The digital display is intuitive, displaying essential information such as speed, distance traveled, and battery status, enhancing the riding experience. Comfort is not overlooked either. The bike features a well-padded seat and adjustable handlebars, accommodating various riding preferences. The presence of front and rear lights ensures safety during night rides, making it a practical choice for evening commuting. On the downside, assembly can be a bit challenging for some users, requiring time and patience. Additionally, while the bike is designed for rough terrains, it may not perform as well on extremely rugged paths compared to traditional mountain bikes. Overall, the Isinwheel electric bike is an excellent investment for those seeking a reliable, efficient, and enjoyable ride, making it suitable for both casual riders and daily commuters alike. Its combination of speed, convenience, and safety features makes it a standout choice in the growing e-bike market.